Okay, begin.
Are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
And pop it and lock it. Okay, ready? Ready, ready. Can you hear Katie screaming on this? I hope you can. Guess what time it is? Wait, do it again. There's a bug in my eye.
I know. I'm telling you, the bugs are swarming.
Guess what time it is? It's Spring Pinterest Challenge time.
Or summer.
Oh, right. It's summer. We missed one. So it's Summer Pinterest Challenge time.
So here's how it works. Basically, you just pin something you love from the original source. It can be anything, big or small.
Could be crafting or sewing,
DIY decor, crafts.
cooking, bacon related, ceramic animal related.
Basically, anything that strikes your fancy.
Then you do your own spin.
And we're going to come back in 1 week to share our projects.
And we hope you'll come back with yours too. And read the rest of the post for more details.
We're kind of excited about it.
Okay.
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
2 against 1.
What's wrong with you? Why can't you just pee? What is going on? How did I knock you over so easily? You're like a little
I'm in the air! Who has leverage in the air?
Katie!